C.A.S. Maintenance, Management and Services Limited is here to help with all your metal fabrication and engineering projects, which include pipe fitting, where we make all the right connections. We do welding fabrication, installation and maintenance for industrial companies for pipes, metal roofing and structure, we can custom design your footing, such as girders, beams, columns, and other metal structures. Metal and spiral staircase construction. We also install chain link fencing. And more. For all your metal fabrication and project needs, you know who to call. C.A.S. Maintenance and Management Project Department. Call us at 876-340-1381 or email us at casmanagementservices@gmail.com. We'll do the work for you.